I know. So.
Today we are gonna make slime.
So, what we are using is
all from Dollar General.
Thank
not sponsored.
Not sponsored, but
We got a big old thing of Elmer's.
oh yeah,
Oh, we have
we have.
food coloring.
I couldn't think of it.
Pink. Looks like a magenta.
Magenta, blue,
Yellow, and
Red.
Okay. And then we have glitter.
we have pink and red.
or pink and red. And then we have both have little bottles like Gain.
Then we have
Shaving cream. And
Dog.
sour stuff. And
we
Cheez-Its. Defeat the Cheez-Its. Oh, you did it. How do you do that?
Just take the top off.
Okay, so. I don't know, what do we do first? The glue. So first we're going to be putting in.
You can put it first.
We're going to be the glue.
Because
And-
we're not gonna add a lot because we're gonna make 4 slimes. Well, you're gonna make 2, then I'm gonna make 2.
Yeah, so 4 slimes in total. So.
But we're just doing 1 for this
Oh, it has a
video.
seal. Yeah. Sorry guys, I don't know how to edit, so this video's probably gonna be kind of long. Bear with me, dude. I don't know if y'all can even hear me. I hope so. Okay.
But earlier today, we put a whole bunch of scrunchies on us.
Oh my goodness, yes. It was so
Do you need me to open it?
Okay.
And
A color for circulation.
I want you to see how skinny my arm is.
It got skinny.
It got skinnier.
I got skinnier.
Yeah, I need to put some around my belly.
So I'm just gonna add however much glue you want to add is however big of a slime you want.
That's good.
Okay, there we go. There.
It was that glue in her. In your hair.
Oh no, a horror. So I'm gonna make that much.
Because we don't really need a lot of glue.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it multiple times.
And plus,
I'm making a small slime.
the shaving cream.
We'll make it bigger.
It will make it bigger. So we're doing about the same amount of glue right now.
Yeah, see? Like this.
Like that.
Okay, now add shaving cream after the glue.
Yes. So shake it up real nice and
I didn't shake it.
Oh.
Let's shake it now.
we need spoons. Entertain the guys. And I'm back. Hello.
You have some of the Gain. I look how much we're adding. But I'm gonna add more after. Now you just want to mix it. Oh.
Okay, now you just
I would have more than you.
Now you just want to mix it.
I really have any glue. Now. So now you just want to mix this now.
You just mix the glue and the fluffies and the
And the fluffies.
We're making fluffy slime right now. And the shaving cream is kind of like activator, and it also makes it bigger. So
See, look how big this is.
yeah. Look at
Remember like the tiny glue that we just had?
Look at this. It's gonna be so fluffy and so good. Guys, look how fluffy that is.
Well, our hands are already gonna get dirty. Our hair.
Oh, our hair. I'm gonna go get a spatula. Our scrunchies are upstairs.
You better run. I'm gonna hold the. People think that it's satisfying to watch people make slime.
Okay.
Did you get scratched? I'm gonna block.
Yes. I just got the two.
Goth.
So we're putting our hair back.
Cause it's gonna get in slime. My hair is so fluffy right now. What we were just doing, we were I just put my hair in a bun. We were slipping on the trampoline.
Yeah, we put the our water hose on the trampoline, and it is so fun. The water was freezing cold though.
But then it got warmer.
Yeah, and we got used to it, and it was amazing. We stayed out there for like 2 hours.
Wait, I forgot to check what time it is.
Oh yeah, what time is it?
9:33. That means we stayed out there for two hours.
Oh my goodness.
I was right.
You were right.
Okay, now it's time to add the game.
Yep.
weed.
Guys, smell it. Smell it. Sorry, I look weird.
Yeah, same. Wait, that means it's gonna turn blue. Or green, or whatever. I'm colorblind.
Okay, I'm only adding little bits at a time because I learned that gain kind of activates a lot faster.
Oh wow, this.
So I'm only
Look at this. That was fast.
So yeah, gain's a really good activator. Guys, I recommend
adding
it.
more.
Not sponsored, but gain is a really good activator. And just add little bits at a time.
Aren't people add salt and water?
Yeah, that's weird.
I'm gonna have to add more glue. I don't think I have enough glue. It's just like gain and shaving cream right now.
I got it on my finger. So guys, this is what
I think
I'm
now I
learning so
have to
far.
knead it.
I think I do
It's
too.
gonna be the messy part.
Ooh.
Like if it's just a goop like that, then it needs to be kneaded.
All right, let's go.
Oh wow, you already have. Oh, you're already in it.
Let's go for it. Yeah.
I'm just gonna. Well, our hands are already gonna be dirty. Who cares?
Yeah. Who cares? Okay.
Yeah, I need glue.
Oh, this is so.
I just realized. Whenever I touched it, it needs glue.
It's so fluffy right now.
Yeah, like it's really just fluff.
I'm gonna work on like little bits at a time. Okay, I need more activator.
I need.
More gain on the way. Oh wait. Oh,
This is
I just got
more-
a bunch on my
More gain.
on the way.